everyone, it's Chef Yoda the dog here, and today we are making a slow cooker creamed corn that my mom got from the All Recipes website. Too bad the dinner spinner app is gone, but still grieving that loss. Anyway, this is a really good one, and my mom made it, and it was delicious, and she added something that's not in the recipe online, but it was in the suggestions or the reviews at the bottom of the page, and it is in her mom's recipe, and it is chopped diced chilies. So, yeah, that's what we added, and it tastes really great when you add that. So, hopefully you guys will give this one a try. It's a great side dish, and of course my mom made it allergy friendly, but take a look at her video to get all the changes, and a link to the original recipe will be in the description box below. Hope you guys are having a great New Year so far. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, so we're making slow cooker creamed corn. Here's everything that's in there. You're gonna put your slow cooker on high. It's lower high, but I'm doing high. For 2 to 4 hours, splitting the difference, doing 3. And then you've got venting, because it's slow cooking. And then we've got a bag and a half of 16-ounce bag of frozen corn. Then you've got a tablespoon of sugar. I'm using Trivia Sweet Complete. It's 1-to-1. Half a cup of milk. I'm using Silk Coconut Milk. 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm using Philadelphia's plant-based, no dairy cream cheese. Then you use a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick. Then salt and pepper to taste. And I added, this is not in the original recipe, okay, but my comment said to add this, and I'll put a link to the original recipe below. But this is diced green chilies, 4 ounces. I did 2 cans. 2 cans, because that's the way I'm used to having creamed corn. So that's what's in there. I'll show you the finished product when it's done. So this is our slow cooked creamed corn. I think I did like roughly 3 hours, maybe a little less, 2 hours and 45 minutes, but it is ready to go and it's yummy. Enjoy.